Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU RS5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HAYLOU phone application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HAYLOU phone on the phone that is paired with our watch. Another thing worth to mention is that if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the factory reset, it might damage your watch. Okay, now let's continue. So once you open the app, tap on Mine, select your HAYLOU RS5 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down, find the option called Reset to Factory, tap on it, and then tap on Confirm. And the watch will reset to the factory default settings. And after a couple of seconds, you should see Hello Welcome screen, which means that the reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.